Premium cabling for Category 5 and Category 5e applications rated for 350 MHz/1 gigabit per second communications. 6ft. Length, black, RJ45 male connectors. Snagless design protects the locking tabs on the RJ45 connectors from being damaged or snapped off during installation. Meets most current industry standards including IEEE 802.3 IEEE 802.5 ANSI/AS/TIA568, ISO/IEC 11801 and ETL, Category 5e Draft 11. Lifetime limited warranty. This 6-foot Tripp Lite Cat5e 350MHz Snagless Molded Patch Cable is the ideal solution for connecting network components like computers, printers, internet-enabled gaming systems and Blu-ray players, copy machines, routers and modems in a home or office application. For peace of mind, this 6-foot Tripp Lite Cat5e 350MHz Snagless Molded Patch Cable comes backed by a lifetime warranty. The N001-006-BK is manufactured in compliance with strict RoHS specifications. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent Cat5e cable that held a good signal even at 100 ft. Wanted a top quality Cat5e cable because I was going over 20 feet. And Tripp Lite is always my go-to. I have a gigabit connection and after testing from a 5 feet Cat5e connection to the new 100 feet cable I only lost 13% in terms of upload/download.